on page number 31. So as I have told you, first you have to do the yellow color in the background. Yes, I have already told you in the class. And after that, for this flower, you will take a small square sheet of paper, or you can use glaze paper also. Glaze paper is mentioned here. If you are not having glaze paper, you can use another type of paper, but colored paper you will use. Okay, so for this flower, what you have to do, first fold like this in a triangular way, one more fold, second fold, and this one is third fold. Done. Okay, after that you will draw the leaf design like this in a slanting way. Yes, like this. So after that you will cut, okay, from here to here like this, and then you will open it. Yes, you will get this type of flower. After that you will cut two red flower here like this and paste here and here, and blue or purple or any another color except yellow you will paste here and here. Okay, so this one we are going to paste here like this. Okay, like this you will paste the flower. Yes, and after that just cut the blue flower also, small. Okay, I have pasted the flower as you can see. Okay, after that just cut the circle, small circle, and we will paste in the center of the flower. Just put the glue like this, and purple will paste on the red, yellow on the purple. Now this one is left, this one is left. Here you will do, tear the paper and paste it. I'll show you, wait. Put the glue, tear the paper and paste it. Like this. And here also in the leaf area. So basically you have to tear the paper and paste here. So you can see pasting work is done like this. You will paste the flower and tearing and pasting, and this type of strip you will paste like this. Student, page number 32, butter paper flower will make. So I'm going to use for this flower kite paper. If you're having butter paper you can use, if you're not having butter paper you can use kite paper like this. And after that, first step you will follow, just draw a circle and cut the circles like this. See, as I have cut it, so many circles. Okay, after that what you have to do first, okay, you will draw this type of line like this with the help of sketch or scale and pencil. And after that you will cut like this, half till the here with the help of scissor. Okay, so one by one I'm going to paste it. Just take one and just paste it in the center. Here in this page, wire is given, so you don't need to use wire for tying. I'm telling you another one way how to make this one flower. So just paste it one by one layer like this. Okay, after that just take one leaf and you will fold inside like this leaf. Okay, like this you will fold all layers. Okay, done like this. After folding work you will get the result like this, and inside the flower you can paste any type of beads, or you can paste the thermocol ball also like this as I'm pasting. So here's your flower is ready. So you can make this trick. Yes, you can take any stick, or you will paste the tape on the sticks if you are having. Okay, after that your butter paper flower is ready like this. You can make more.